The system is failing you, and it's not broken. It's working exactly as designed. Healthcare that bankrupts you, education that indebts you, jobs that exhaust you, housing you can't afford, food that poisons you. You think it's incompetent. You think it's bad luck or unfortunate circumstances. It's not. It's design, intentional, calculated, and they're counting on you never figuring that out. I'm going to share with you exactly how they designed it to fail you and why. This is part one, and this is the exposure. You're told the system is broken, that it needs reform, that we just need to fix things. That's a lie. The system isn't broken, it's functioning perfectly. It's just not designed to serve you, it's designed to extract from you, to extract your labor, your money, your energy, your life. And every system you interact with, whether it's healthcare, education, employment, housing, food, it's all calibrated to keep you struggling, to keep you dependent, and too tired to resist. Today, I'm breaking down three major systems, how they're designed, why they fail you, and who profits from your failure. So by the end of this video, you'll see it and you can't unsee it. Part two will show you the escape. But first, you need to see the cage. The first system they use as a cage is healthcare. Healthcare is the sickness industry. Healthcare in this system isn't designed to make you healthy. It's actually designed to manage your sickness. Think about it. If everyone was healthy, the pharmaceutical industry would collapse. Hospitals would close. Insurance companies would lose billions. So what do? They create a system where getting sick is profitable, where every diagnosis is revenue, every prescription is recurring income, every hospital visit is profit, every chronic condition is a customer for life. They don't cure diabetes, they manage it. For decades, they've been selling you insulin at criminal prices. They don't prevent heart disease. They wait until you're sick, then sell you surgeries and medications. They don't address the root cause, the toxic food, the stress, the environmental poison. They treat symptoms forever. And why? Because healthy people don't need their system. Sick people do. And here's the design. They poison you with processed food. They stress you with unstable employments. They exhaust you with overwork. Then they charge you to treat the illnesses they caused. You're not a patient, you're a profit center. And the sicker you are, the more valuable you become. That's healthcare by design. System two is education, the obedience factory. Education isn't designed to make you intelligent, it's designed to make you obedient. They don't teach you how money works. They don't teach you how to build wealth, how to think critically, how to question authority, how to be self-sufficient. No. What they do is they teach you to sit down, be quiet, follow orders, memorize what we tell you, and don't question, just obey. Accept your place in the hierarchy. And then they charge you for it. Tens of thousands in debt for the privilege of being programmed. to serve their system. You graduate with a degree that qualifies you for jobs that don't pay enough to cover the debt that you took to get the degree. You gain no practical life skills, no financial literacy, no critical thinking, just obedience and debt. That's the design, to create compliant workers who are too indebted to quit, too uneducated about money to build wealth, and too trained in obedience to resist. You're not a student. You're being trained like livestock to serve their economy forever. That's education by design. System three, employment, the dependency trap. Employment isn't designed to make you wealthy. It's designed to keep you dependent. Think about it. They pay you just enough to survive, not thrive, survive. Just enough to pay rent, never enough to buy land, just enough to eat, never enough to save significantly, just enough to keep you coming back tomorrow and the next day and the next, forever. And they tie your survival to their approval. Your healthcare through them, your income controlled by them, your security dependent on them. So you can't leave, you can't risk, you can't speak up, you can't resist because they hold your life in their hands. And here's the brilliant part, they make you compete with each other for these terrible jobs, drive wages down, make you grateful for the crumbs. You're not an employee, you're a resource they extract value from. And the design ensures you can never extract enough money or enough value to escape. That's employment by design. Do you see the pattern they have designed to keep you caged? Every system is designed the same way, to keep you sick so you need healthcare, to keep you indebted so you can't leave jobs, to keep you dependent so you can't resist, to keep you exhausted so you can't organize, to keep you distracted so you can't see the design. It's not broken. It's incompetence. It's not accident. It's design. And you're living in it right now. But here's what they're really afraid of. Here's what they don't want you to know. You can opt out. You can build outside their system. And millions are already doing it. So in part two, I'm going to show you exactly how to escape, how to build outside their design, how to become ungovernable. So subscribe, hit the bell, and you do not want to miss part two because the design keeps you trapped, but the escape sets you free. See you in part two, where I share with you the escape.